Hello friends, welcome to Whiteboard Learning with me. Let's discuss about structure of an ear and hearing. Okay, ear is a external organ. Organs are doing some main functions to our body. Organs divided into two types, that is external body organs and internal body organs. Some examples of external human body organs are ear. Purpose of ear is hearing, mouth speaking, eyes vision, teeth eating and chewing, tongue tasting, and so on. Then, some examples of internal human body organs are brain is a memory organ, heart circulatory organ, liver graveyard of red blood cells or RBCs. Okay, RBC lifetime is totally 120 days. After 120 days, this RBC go to liver. Liver destroyed old RBCs. So, liver called as graveyard of RBC. Then, function of kidney is ultrafiltration, lungs, respiratory organ, and so on. Now, let's learn about ear, structure of an ear. This is the structure of an ear. Ear divided into three main portions: outer portion, middle portion, and inner portion. Outer portion of the ear called outer ear. Middle portion of the ear called middle ear, and inner portion of the ear called inner ear. First, outer portion of the ear or outer ear contains, this is pinna and auditory canal, then eardrum. Okay, these three parts in outer ear. Then middle ear, middle part of the ear. This is very important part of ear. It having three cartilages named as malleus, incus and stapes. First, malleus, one side attached near eardrum and another side attached with incus, that is malleus. Then this incus, one side attached with malleus and another side attached with stapes. Okay. Then this is stapes, one side attached with incus and another side attached with inner ear. Okay. This tube is called Eustachian tube. Then inner ear. Inner ear having three important parts. First, this is semicircular canals. This is cochlea. And this is auditory nerve. This nerve is very important nerve. If person defect hearing, actually this nerve is defected. Then this is the diagrammatic structure of an ear. Then now recollect all the parts of ears are pinna, auditory canal, eardrum, malleus, incus, stapes, semicircular canals, cochlea, auditory nerve, Eustachian tube, outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Okay, let's discuss about hearing. Hearing capacity of human is 20 to 20,000 hertz. That means infrasonic sound 16 to 20 hertz and ultrasonic sound is 20,000 hertz. This is the hearing capacity of human beings. In decibel, hearing capacity till 80 decibel only human able to hear. After 90 decibel, it leads to hearing defect. Okay, or speaking 60 decibel, murmur sound of human 30 decibel, or respiration 10 decibel. Okay, 1 decibel means 0.000000000001. That means 11 zeros. W by M square. Okay, then 25 decibel, below 20 or 25 decibel infrasonic sound, if not here, it leads to hearing defect. Okay, it's may mild, moderate, severe, profound. If no hearing means deaf. This hearing defects and deaf treatments are available. Now see some animals hearing capacity. Elephant hearing capacity is 14 to 16 hertz only. And dolphin and bats hearing capacity is 1 lakh hertz. Whale, it is hearing capacity of infrasonic begins 7 hertz too, and so on. This is the structure and hearing of human beings. Thank you.